Hey everybody, so today I'm working on the lift support on the Hummer H3. It's a really short video, but it's going to help you out and give you a few pointers on how to do it. So the first thing you'll do before changing it, if you're alone to do the job, make sure you got a piece of wood or a piece of metal that you will slide at the bottom right there, and it's going to be locked in place. It can go anywhere. It's going to be stuck there. So once that is done, and you got a secure piece of wood to help you out, what you'll do, you'll just slide the screwdriver in that little groove right there, and you're gonna twist it, until it unconnects. Once it's completely unconnects and you removed it, this will pop out. As soon as it pops, the weight of the other one won't be good enough. Won't be good enough to support the whole hood. So the hood itself is going to fall down. So make sure you keep some weight and you got that piece of wood or something to keep it up. So once the first one is disconnected, you'll move to the second one and do the exact same thing. As you can see, the groove is right there. You'll slide it there and you'll bend it. Then you'll be able to remove it. To install the new one, and here is a tricky part. The new one's going to be fully extended. So this one is compressed right now with a hood. So it's actually a bit longer than this when you got brand new. So to reconnect it, you'll connect it back on the top first, and that C-clamp is already installed. So you just need to push it in really hard, and it's going to clip in place. Then what you'll do, you'll lift the hood as much as you can until you can pop this one in. So if you're just changing one, you'll have no choice but disconnect the base of the other one on the other side and maybe pop it out. Because there is a big chance that this one, since it's lacking maybe a bit of compression, won't extend as much as you need. So you may need to disconnect this one to give you more room to push the hood further down to be able to slide the new one in, and then with the weight, let it compress back again until you can clip the other one. If you're removing both of them, super easy. Just make sure disconnect, remove it, disconnect on the other side. But be careful, because if you push the hood backward, that little corner will hit that plastic and you're gonna chip your paint. Either put a rag or make sure not to put too much weight to push it too much backward. But usually it will connect. So at least put a rag or something. There's going to be a bit of pressure, not too much, but there's going to be a bit of pressure. So once it's back enough and you clip both of them on the top and they're fully extended, keep lifting it until you can connect one and go to the other side and do the same thing. Good pressure, that C-clamp will actually clip and you'll be good to go. It's really basic, really simple, it goes fast, and it's something that's going to help you out if your hood is always falling down on you. For me, it's always security first, and a hood that you trust, actually, it's a good thing. So just make sure that those are changed. So what I'll do, this is actually the serial number of mine, of those that I bought, but I'll put in the description again. If you want to check for other parts or cheaper one, at least you'll get an idea which type of lift support I was using for my H3. On this, I hope it helps you out. But like I'm telling you, just be careful. Those corners will do a mess on your paint if you're not careful. So on this, stay safe. Make sure you don't clip your hand by doing this job. And I hope it helps out. So all right, see you around, guys.